I'll Fly Away, the traditional Southern gospel song. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the melody. B, G, D, G, B, A sharp, B, C, B, A, G, E, G, D, B, G, D, G, B, A sharp, B, C, B, B, A, G, D, B, B, D, B, A, G, G, E, G, D. Sharp B, C, B, B, A, G. And then for the introduction, all I'm going to do is play that last little phrase. Now for the left hand right there, we'll go to D, F sharp, A, then a G chord. So we got our D chord, D, F sharp, A, and our G chord, G, B, D. Slide up to a C chord, C, E, G in the bass, keep the G in the bass, and back to the G chord. So slowly it'll sound like this. Or you could go, you can hit the G chord together right there, it doesn't matter. So there's your introduction. And then we go right into the melody. For the bass there, all we're going to do is just an open fifth G. G, D, G, G, D, G. Then we're going to play an arpeggiated C chord. C, E, G, G, and just the D. So slowly you can see it. Then we go to the D chord, D, F sharp, A, back to the G chord. And then I just put in a little pickup there into the chorus. We're going into the chorus now. And when we get to the chorus, we'll play two notes right there. So it just sounds good. So we'll play a B and a D. And then in the left hand, we're going to do the same thing. G, D, G, open fifth on G. And then back to the C, the 4 chord, the C chord, G, D, G. Then it does just like the verse does. Or you can stagger that. And then what I would do is I would play it up to tempo and then play that chorus one more time a little slower. G chord with the G on top, BDG, tag on it. There you have it, I'll Fly Away. Hope you enjoy it.